This quick tutorial explains how to buy shares of Reliance Worldwide Corporation Limited. Reliance Worldwide makes plumbing and water flow products and is listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker RWC.ASX. This video is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. To proceed, you will need a broker account, and I will use eToro as an example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search box and type the ticker RWC.ASX to find the listing. Select the result that matches Reliance Worldwide Corporation Limited to open its asset page. On the stock page, review the basic company information and view the price chart to check recent trading. Confirm the name and ticker RWC.ASX to ensure you have the correct stock. To invest, click Buy. Enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you do not have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirming. Your new position will appear in your portfolio after the order executes. Check the description for a link to eToro if you want to follow the same step-by-step example.